Classwork 5-6. Solving exponential and log equations using a calculator. First of all, let's remind ourselves, what is the change of base formula? If you have a log of a certain base, b, and you're taking a certain number n, you can change the base to any base you want. We'll just call it a. And you remember, which one goes on bottom, the b or the n? And for bottom, the base goes on bottom, so b or n. And usually we change the base to a. Usually we change the base to calculator's base, which is 10. Example number 1, 3 times 10 to 2x plus 5 is equal to 60. This is an exponential equation because the variable is in the exponent. Usually I would distribute, but since there's an exponent here, I can distribute. So the opposite of distribute is divide. So it becomes 10 to 2x plus 5 equals 20. I try to write the same base, 10 and 20, but I can't, so I have to rewrite it in log form. So log, here's our base, 10. The other side of 10 is 20, so 20 goes here, equals the exponent 2x plus 5. Since my calculator, since the base is already 10, I'm going to hit log 10, not log 10, log 20, enter. I get 1.30 is approximately equal to 2x plus 5. Then it becomes algebra 1, a two-step equation. I'm going to subtract 5 using my calculator. So once you get that, you just hit minus 5. Hit enter. So now this becomes negative 3.70 approximately equal to 2x. And then I'm going to divide by 2. So I'll say answer divided by 2. And that would be my answer. X is approximately 1.85 negative. And you're done. X is by itself. Example 2. 5 plus 3 to the x is equal to 21. I'm going to circle my variable and get that by itself. So I got 3 to the x equals 16. I'm going to, since this is an exponential equation, I'm going to try to rewrite the same base, but I can't, so I'm going to rewrite it in log form. Log, here's the base, 3. The other side, 16, is equal to x. Now, I'm going to use my calculator, so I got to change it to a base of 10. So log 10 divided by log 10. The base is on bottom, so 3 is on bottom, 16 is on top. Just put that in my calculator. Log 16 divided by log 3. So my answer is 2.52. Example number 3. I'm going to copy that down. 5 to the 2x plus 1 is equal to 37. This is an exponential equation because the variable is in the exponent. I try to write the same base, but I can't, so I'm going to put it in log form. Log base 5 of 37 is equal to 2x plus 1. I'm going to put this in my calculator, so I got to change it to a base of 10. Base is always on bottom, so 5 on bottom. So I'm going to use my calculator and hit log 37 divided by log 5. That's what I get for that number. 2.24 approximately equal to 2x plus 1. And I'm going to do the rest of my calculator. Algebra 1. So I'm going to subtract 1, hit enter. So I get 1.24. And then I'm going to divide by 2. And that's my answer, 0.62. So subtract 1 on both sides, 1.24, divide by 2, so 0.62, approximately equal to x. And last one, number 4. I'm going to copy the problem. Log base 3 of 2x equals log base 7 of 36. Now sometimes you have a log equation but they're not the same base, so you have to use your calculator. So I'm going to put this in our calculator, log 36 divided by log 7. You get 1.84. Okay, it's not 1 to 1, so I gotta put it in exponential. 3 to the 1.84 is approximately equal to 2x. So I'm gonna do that in my calculator. 3 to the 1.84, so that's 7.55. And then I'm just gonna divide by 2. Divided by 2. And that's my answer, 3.77. Thank you for your time. This is classwork 5-6 calculator problems.